How to prevent cracks from reappearing between the skirting and the wall.
Step 1. Prepare the applicator. Open the Fill-Flex tube and insert it securely into the caulking gun. Fill-Flex is a flexible, ready-to-use filler designed for areas where movement can occur, such as skirting boards and door frames. Step 2. Apply Fill-Flex. Using steady, consistent pressure, apply the product evenly between the skirting and the wall. Step 3. Remove any excess. Straight after application, smooth and remove excess product using your finger or a damp sponge. Fill-Flex is a highly flexible filler which moves with the substrate to prevent cracks from reappearing. This flexibility makes it resistant to sanding, and therefore it's important to achieve a smooth finish during application.